Looking for the best pet nail grinder electric but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best pet nail grinder electric based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Juveximzy Electric Dog Nail Grinder, Upgraded 5-Speed Quiet Dog Nail Trimmer Safe Painless Nail File. Imagine sitting on your couch with a nervous puppy trembling in your lap, and you need to trim its tiny nails without causing stress. That's where this advanced dog nail grinder comes in, featuring whisper-quiet operation that reduces anxiety, making grooming a breeze. With its precision control and smart speed, you can adjust to your pet's comfort level, from delicate puppy nails to tough adult claws. The complete safety protection system, including an LED light and adjustable safety guard, ensures you never overgrind. Number 4. Fumeister P10 Type-C Rechargeable Dog and Cat Nail Clippers, LED Pet Nail Trimmer Extra Sharp. Are you tired of trimming your pet's nails in a cluttered mess, worrying about safety and cleanliness? This amazing nail trimmer has got you covered with its built-in LED light, giving you a clear view, a non-slip ergonomic grip for confident handling, and a child-safe lock to prevent accidents. Plus, the removable anti-splash cover system keeps everything tidy, the built-in nail file is always within reach, and the sharp stainless steel blades make precise cuts. Number 3. LOPSIC Quiet Dog Nail Grinder Whisper Safe and Stress-Free. We've all been there, the struggle to trim our pets' nails without causing them undue stress and anxiety. But what if you could make nail care a breeze for both you and your furry friend? This nail grinder is a total game-changer with its ultra-quiet and low-vibration design, perfect for sensitive dogs and cats. The 3 diamond grinding bits are a standout feature, offering a soft touch for smooth finishes and a hard edge for faster grinding on larger dogs and thicker nails. Plus, the built-in LED light shines a light on the quick, making it safe and painless to use. With 3 speeds and a powerful 12,000 revolutions per minute motor, it's suitable for all breeds and sizes, from small dogs and cats to medium to large dogs. And the best part? It comes with everything you need to get started, including nail clippers, trimmers, and a velvet storage bag. Number 2. LuckyTail Pet Nail Grinder LuckyTail. Imagine being at the vet with your anxious cat, waiting for the nail trimmer to be used, and it's blasting at 110 decibels, causing your poor kitty to freak out. That's where this game-changing electric nail grinder comes in, operating at just 30 to 45 decibels, half the sound of traditional nail trimmers, making nail trims a breeze for both you and your furry bestie. Number 1. Heusom Silent Groom Pro Pet Nail Grinder Whisper Quiet Claw Trimmer. Most pet nail trimmers are a hassle, but this one's actually designed with ease in mind, featuring ultra-quiet operation that's barely audible. It's perfect for anxious pets, keeping them calm while you get the job done with a heavy-duty diamond wheel that guarantees a perfect result every time. Safety is also top priority with a protective guard that prevents accidental damage, making it the perfect choice for pets of all sizes. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.